Hello, this is Ana Jimeno Sanz from the Department of Applied Linguistics, Universidad Politécnica de Valencia. Today we're going to talk about asking for directions. Imagine that you're in a foreign city, in a town that you don't know, and you're lost or you're looking for a particular place and you need to ask somebody on the street to help you find that place. There are several ways that we can do this. For example, we can say, "Excuse me, I wonder if you could help me. Could you?" Excuse me is a very adequate formula to attract somebody's attention in the street, to stop them if they're walking. You say, "Excuse me. Excuse me, I seem to be lost. Could you tell me how to get to the train station?" You tell the person that you're in a difficult situation, that you think that you're lost, and could they help you find your way to the train station. "Excuse me, I seem to be lost. Could you tell me how to get to the train station, please?" Or, "Excuse me, I'm a bit stranded. Could you help me find my way to the bus station?" "I'm a bit stranded" is another way of saying I'm lost. I've lost my way and I can't find the place that I'm looking for, in this case, the bus station. We can also say, "Excuse me, do you know where the nearest underground station is?" Other examples include, "Excuse me, do you know where the post office is?" Or, "Excuse me, I'm looking for a supermarket. Do you know if there's one around here?" Another example is, "Excuse me, how do I get to the university campus from here?" Or, "Excuse me, do you know where St. Peter's Square is?" Once we've asked this, of course, the person will give us a reply, will answer back. They may know or may not know where the place you're asking for is. If they don't know, they may say to you, "I'm sorry, I don't know." "No, I'm sorry, I'm not from around here." Or, "Do you have a map? Let me see." And then, of course, the person would indicate on the map where the place you are looking for is located. Or they may say, "No, I'm afraid I don't know." "No, sorry, no idea." So in this case, again, you'd have to ask another person. If the person we've asked does know where the place we're asking for is, of course they can reply giving us different indications, different directions to get to that place. For example, they could say, "Go straight ahead for 500 meters and then turn left at the traffic lights." We always use landmarks to give directions. Traffic lights, a well-known building, a junction, crossroads, things like this that indicate where you are, and you can use them as a landmark to tell the person which way to turn or which way to go. Another example could be, take the second street on your right, walk straight on for about 200 yards, you'll bump into the train station. You can't miss it. When you're told that you can't miss it, this means that it's a very big and notorious building, so you're bound to realize that you found the building that you're looking for. Another example could be, keep going for another 3 blocks and then turn left at the crossroads, for example. We can also check our understanding, make sure that we've understood correctly the directions that we have been given to reach that particular place. In this case, to check our understanding, we can say, for example, "So, let me see if I got that right. I have to walk straight down this avenue till I reach the petrol station. Then I turn right, and it's on the left-hand side of the street, just after the grocery store. Another way to make sure that you've understood correctly, let me check if I understood correctly. I have to, and then you repeat the indications. If you don't understand what the person says, you can ask them to repeat. You can say, "Could you say it again, please? Could you tell me again, please?" This is a sample dialogue. You say, "Excuse me, do you know where the nearest underground station is?" The stranger replies, "Yes. Continue down the street until you see the National Theatre on your left. Cross the street and take the next turning to your right. You'll see the underground station straight away." You reply, "Oh, thank you. Can I just check I understood correctly? When I get to the National Theatre, I cross the street and then turn right." The stranger says, "Yes, that's right." You say, "Thank you very much. Bye." Of course, when we've been given the directions to the place that we're looking for, we have to thank the person who gave us those indications. We can say, for example, "Thank you very much. That's been very kind of you. Thank you very much. Very kind of you." Or, "You've been very helpful. Thank you very much." Or simply, "Thank you so much." Or, "Thanks." Or, "Thank you. Goodbye." These are 3 useful sites that I think you may like to check because they concentrate on different ways, different formulas of asking for directions in English. So please go ahead and check these out. And that's all from me for now. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.